Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a link to the text in your Canva project. First of all, we have to pick a text. Let's go with something simple. Hello YouTube, for example. And as you can see in this text, we can actually hide a link to our website or wherever. So what we want to do, we want to scratch the part that we actually want to put a link into. We want to go to the top right corner, straight above the document, and click on more, and those little chains where the link is. Now you can enter the link. You can copy paste the link, or you can write it down with www. It's completely up to you. I'm already prepared a link, so I'm gonna hit and apply, and as you can see, the YouTube is now underscored. If we want to see if our link works, how it should be, we go to the bottom right of our screen and we press this present full screen. And as you can see, once we click, it opens up our YouTube channel. So that's about it. It's very easy. And once again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.